All right, so big question is, can a wooden flower cut a 2x4? This hole right here was cut on my laser engraver, so it's the exact size for the table saw. There's no wibble wobble, hopefully, on this. Hopefully it's perfectly centered as best I can get it with the machine, not eyeballing it. Oh, this seems terrifying. This is a bad idea. Oh my God. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear my safety gear. I'm gonna wear my welding gear. I got my welding cowl, arm sleeves. I have my apron over there I'm gonna grab. This is all going on. I do not trust this thing at all. Should be better. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I got my full welder's outfit on. I got my gloves over there I'm gonna put on. Got my headphones as well. And then I don't think I need my goggles because I got this bad boy right here. It should keep me protected from the flower of doom. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, I'm terrified of doing this, not gonna lie. But we gotta do it. Science demands answers. Now I wanna know if a wooden flower can cut a 2x4. And I'm not gonna turn the flower on yet until I have my hood on and everything like that. I wanna make sure that I am absolutely safe as can be. All right, gloves are on, canvas arms are on, that guy's on. Hood is down, and does it break? Holy shit, that is terrifying. Oh my God. I don't want to do this. All right, we have a flower, wooden flower, table saw. Oh dear God. 3, 2, 1. Don't hurt me.
Kids, this is how you start a fire.
That was terrifying. Ooh. Dude, I'm surprised this thing didn't break on me. Oh, I was fully geared for this. I thought wood one would fucking shatter. Whew. Trying to get all this smoke out. Right, I'm gonna let this air out and we'll get back to it. Holy shit. Okay. So, super smoky. I thought this would shatter completely. It did not. It charred through the boards for sure though. But wood can definitely cut wood. I don't know if I should use this tile to try to cut it with next. But I feel like if I try this tile, this entire thing would just shatter. This is glass. Or that would shatter. So, I don't know. I think the flower is a win in my book. This has not cooled down enough to do that, but that's fine. There it goes. All right, let's see how charred this guy is. The nuts are still warm. Ugh. That looks nasty. Look at that guy. Oh shit, almost went down to there. That could have been bad if that got cut. Not too bad. So this was the side facing that way. This was the side facing that way. But hey, it cut a 2x4. I thought that would shatter for sure. I'm glad it didn't. I was like over here going, oh! And then smoke billowing nonstop. I'm just glad I can breathe again.